Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sparkleque. I'm back with another video. Oh, bam, 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 bam. And today I'm going to dry these clothes that I had washed the other day. So if you new to this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Sparkleque channel, and I'll be sure to appreciate it. So we finna go to the washing room with my son. He finna put his clothes on. I already got my clothes on. It is so cold out here in Houston, Texas. So if you out here in Houston, Texas, let me know. Drop a comment down below and rip where you from. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. I'm ready to go and get back here because, baby, I don't like being cold, okay? I do not like being cold, but I was like, let me go ahead and vlog. I got to start picking up this camera, okay, sis? So, let's get to it, okay? Bam!
I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision, I'm granting all my wishes. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single was being alone. Now I know I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, yeah. I'ma go out, I'ma dance now, raise a glass to being alone. You can stop me, you can reach me, cause I'm too high to fuck on. I don't need you, I don't need.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm out of breath. Ooh. Okay. So this is something I always do. I bring all the clothes in the garage and I set everything right here. I'm just out of breath right now because I was moving fast, but I'm finna load these clothes up in the car, okay?
I don't need you, keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look,
we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can't, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But back and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Okay, y'all, so I just put the clothes up in there. Gonna sit here and wait till they get done. It's so hot up in here. I don't know why I wore a hat and jacket and all that. But my music playing on my headphones. I'm gonna listen to my music, and I guess I'll come back when I'm done, because I know y'all don't want to see all that. I brought my apple cider vinegar with the cinnamon in it. It's a prebiotic. It's still hot from earlier. I'm gonna drink this with a straw. I hate when people be staring at me. I'm trying to vlog, okay? Don't give it in, okay? Let me take the top off because I'm thinking this way. It's still hot because I didn't take the top off. But it was so cold yesterday, like, oh my god. That's why I ain't come yesterday. But I'm gonna have to come back. I'm thinking tomorrow because I got some more clothes I need to wash and dry. But I wash it at home and I dry it here. But baby, I'm finna get a dryer. I'm not finna deal with this. I'm tired. And the only thing convenient about it is I can dry everything at the same time instead of one by one. But they're getting out in that cold. Oh no, it's only probably be snowing or something. So we out here in Houston, Texas. They have bipolar weather, okay? And I ain't got time for that. But anyway, I want to top y'all head off. We'll come back and when it's time to put the clothes in, and then we're gonna leave. It don't even just take me like an hour to wash. To dry everything. So I'll be back.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, stand next to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, stand next to you. Hey, I'm stand next to you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, stand next to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, stand next to you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done. I got all the clothes up here in the baskets. My son's sitting over there. And I got my stuff together. So I'm finally done, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm finally done. I'm not that tired like I thought I was gonna be. I was gonna take some medicine before I came here because I know usually my back be hurting, but it's not. So thank God for that. It's not that many clothes that I had. So yep. See y'all when I get home. Okay, y'all. So I just got back home. I'm finna just, you know, get dressed. I'm finna get out these clothes and get comfortable or whatever. And also I'm about to cook some food or whatever and start doing these clothes. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or what, because I gotta do my daughter's hair. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to this girl channel, and I'll be sure to appreciate it. Bam, bye.
Already on my way.